Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, let's jump right on in. This week I'm using this super cute kit from Surprise, and I did a video showing the full packaging, and I'll leave the link up top so you can check that video out. But this week I decided to do something a little different, and that's to just use this kit only in this spread. Now you guys know when I am planning in my happy planners, I typically only use happy planner type stickers when I am doing my spreads, and then sometimes I'll bring in some washi from different sticker and planner shops. But this week I'm using 99.9% all Surprise stickers. The other percent, that 0.1, I had to use some date dots from another sticker shop because this didn't come with date dots. Nevertheless, the kit was used to its fullest capacity, I feel, and I still had a lot of stickers left. So this is just an example. I know when I do my traveler's notebook videos, I always tell you I like to buy mini kits just because I know that I am not going to use all of the stickers. However, with this full kit, not only is it packed with all different shapes and sizes, this kit is personalized, so you can actually pick stickers that resemble you. You can pick your skin tone, your hair type, your hair color, as well as the outfit that goes along with the kit. Each kit has a theme, and this particular kit was I believe it was spell something or another. It was delicate spell. I had to check the packaging because I forgot, but I knew it had spell in it. But this kit I got because of course it had purples and blues and some shades of pink, and it had gold foiling in it. And you'll see throughout the spread that most of the stickers are well, not most of them, but some of them have like sayings on them, and those sayings are specifically chosen for the kit, but they'll put your name in a few of them. And then if you have a bestie or planner friend or even your spouse or a family member, you can also put their name in these stickers as well. So it was fun using this because, like I said, it was very different for me. Typically I'm pulling out those colorful box stickers and some, you know, other stickers to go through and layer, and I did do a little bit of layering towards the middle of the end of this video. So all I'm doing right now is just laying these headers because I didn't want to go and pull washi, and the color that's already on this planner, it doesn't match with the spread, and you know how I do. If it doesn't match, I'll just get some thin washi and cover them up. However, I was standing firm on the fact that I was not going to use any other stickers or washi because this is a full kit and it has absolutely everything you need to do a full spread, and a couple of more if you needed to. So I really wanted to make sure I use the stickers functionally, not only to give that decorative edge, but to also be able to go in and write on the days of the week that I need to. Now, disclaimer, I am not planning in this planner because I am participating in the One Planner Challenge, and y'all will probably get sick of hearing me say that, but I do that because I don't want you all to think that I'm cheating. If I say that I'm doing something, I am doing it. And also it's just a way of keeping me accountable. I'm just using my A5 traveling notebook for everything, even for my faith planning, which has been a little bit hard because I love using my faith planner to plan in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay some more stickers, and I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play for a little while. So I want to share this with you all. When I did the product review, I had never used these stickers before, so this is the very first time that I'm using them. And baby, when I say these things peel up with ease when you misplace them, or if they're a little crooked and they don't tear. I mean, these stickers are really good quality, so it is worth the price that these kits are worth, because you are getting a lot for your money. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up, and before I do that, I decided I wanted to add these stickers here, hexagons, octagons, whatever gone. Somebody drop me a comment below so I can make sure I never call these stickers by their wrong name. But I decided to be a little creative and cut the ends off and mirror them to the other side of the page, just to add a little bit of creativity. So after that, I'm going to add a couple other stickers, and then that's going to be the end of this plan with me. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this plan with me. If you are interested in the kit, it will be a link below along with the discount code. And as well, give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment below as well, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you'll never miss a new video or live stream. And if this video has inspired you, do me a favor, share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, planner fam, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.